All right, what are we doing?
We are walking with family, going to a restaurant because we're all starving to death.
All right, been working all day to get here. Haven't eaten anything, so first thing we're gonna do is go find some food, and then we're gonna go exploring around Deadwood. Right here. This is it right here. Alley entrance. Here we are at Mustang Sally's. There are some slots in here. Seems to be pretty common in South Dakota. We made it. No, I'm in the dealer chair. Get out of here. Here we are, nearly to the top of the spires, and I figured I'd get a little short clip of the two families squeezing between these two spires right here, coming up them. I'm a little tired, so the video is probably a little bit shaky. Squeeze them butt cheeks. Put your back into it.
Did you get my water back?
There you go. Good job. Good job.
Consequences of
I've made it up to about as high up as I'm comfortable with, at least on the current spires in the model. Any higher than I am now, you need climbing gear to safely make it to the top of the spire, which I do not possess at this time. So yeah, I like to be a little adventurous.
Alright, so we took the Cathedral Spires trail up. It's 2 miles up, 2 miles back.
No, it's 2.2 miles round trip, so it's about a mile up, mile back.
That's not terrible.
No.
Off Needles Highway in South Dakota. It's so pretty out here. It's a pretty good hike.
It sure is. Behind us, you can see the spires. When you get up here to the top, after the hardest part of the hike, it levels out a little bit up here, and you come out into a valley, and it literally, as you ride out in the center of all the spires.
The wind whips down through here. It feels great.
Yeah, it does feel good up here.
It's a challenging hike. It's not just
It is.
gravel.
Coming out here is all uphill, so going back is kind of a reward. It's
Yeah.
all downhill. So,
Hope you enjoyed our hike.
yeah.